A typical PCV valve replacement costs $100, which is not bad. The Honda OEM part costs $40, so it is tempting to maximize savings by using an aftermarket replacement part, which is around $10. I am telling you right now, they are not always the same size and fitment, which can cause damage. To avoid that, keep watching so you too can be more self-sufficient at home while doing things right to avoid even more expensive repairs. This is a 2013 Civic 1.8 liter engine. Here's the PCV valve. There's right here, there's a hose clamp securing the hose. I'm using these ring-shaped pliers to get this out. Okay, carefully wiggle out the hose. Okay, let's find the right socket for that PCV valve. This is a 17 millimeter socket with a breaker bar. It's on there kind of tight. Okay. As you can see, this has a convenient anti-DIY device, meaning you can't get to this without some sort of extension. Okay, once you get access to it and good leverage, it comes right out. Make sure you don't lose the washer here. Alright, the replacement from Rock Auto is here. Let's open this up and see if it's the same. Part number is the same, but is it the same part inside? This new one comes in the bag, but I can tell you right now, they're both exactly the same. They're too wide and they're both not going to fit. Here is an instance where sometimes it's good to buy OEM parts. This is the aftermarket one from Rock Auto, and of course it doesn't fit. It's not the same threading. It's hard to see. I don't know why this won't focus, but yes, it's not the same. Okay, here's the OEM type one. So let's get this open and try it out. Make sure to keep this washer from the old one so we can reuse it on the new one. Obviously, if it's mangled or messed up, you want to replace this as well. Just for shits and giggles, this is the aftermarket one, that Beck and Arnley or whatever from Rock Auto. As you can see, not even one full turn and it won't go in. All right, that's not good. This is gonna cross thread something, it's gonna ruin your day. Here is the OEM one with the washer again, by hand. It goes in all the way by hand. No resistance, this is what you want. This is proper fitment, this is doing it right. The torque spec for this is 30 pound-feet, and this is again a place where some people had issues with aftermarket, where it'll snap off, or if they got a counterfeit OEM piece. Actually, 30 pound-feet seem like a lot. I'm just going to use a normal ratchet and get it good hand tight. Right, you see that? It's not going anywhere. You also don't want this snapping off and leaving threads in that block or head or whatever. That's also going to ruin your day. Nice, good and tight is good enough. If it's a little loose, just tighten it later. But if it's too tight, that's when the nightmares start. Assuming the hose is not dry rotted or cracked, you can reuse it. To lube it up, just going to use a little bit of saliva, which I know is disgusting, but it works. Put the hose back on and re-clamp it on. Start the car, drive it around, check for any warning lights, check engine lights. If you don't see anything, you're good to go. As you saw in this video, I easily replaced the PCV valve and rate this job a 2 out of 5 in difficulty. I wasted more time waiting for replacement parts to ship. Aftermarket parts have their place, but this is one situation where you stick with OEM. If this helped you safely fix your own car today, please give a like and consider subscribing if you want to see more DIY videos at home.